Howdy y'all, Buzz Z-Biker here at Baxter Cycle in the mighty metropolis of Marnie, Iowa. There is the hot rod Royal Enfield Himalayan. We did a bunch of work on that yesterday. Valve check, all that neat stuff, oil change. Yes, it's still filthy, I haven't washed it. I did replace the back tire, 7,600 miles. I put this Dunlop Trail Max Mission on there. Check that thing out. Isn't that just something else? Massive lugs on the side, incredible tread. I've had this on my other Himalayan, and just a beautiful tire. They'll last and last and last. Very hard tire. We cleaned the chain up. We re-gooped it with chain goopy stuff. Look at this. Neat little box in the back. That is a Royal Enfield box made just for this bike. It will fit my full face helmet. That's what I wanted it for. Came with this plate, and it also is removable with one lever, and it's keyed. You do this. That's parts from the other one. Pop this off. There's the lever. There's the keys. It's lined. Isn't that nice? Hey, warning. But check that hot rod out. I like it. I like it a lot. Very good. Something I want to show you all is, well, we put a DNA filter in here, and it makes a heck of a howl when you get it going. So I'll put the other helmet on and we'll go for a ride here in a minute. But we looked the whole bike over. Let's see what we do. We fixed the rattle. We just did everything. Did everything. Did some other stuff up here too. I don't know if you can notice it, but for those of you that are keen-eyed, you will. There it is. Hey, another hot rod bike. We're going to leave the tire. There's no reason to change it. It's still in good shape. Beautiful machine. Beautiful machine. All right, I'll get the other helmet on and we will go for a ride. I want to show you all how this DNA filter sounds. Let's see if we can make it. I don't know if we can do it unless we hit the road here, but let's see in the exhaust alley. I hope you all could hear that. I just put a new tire on. My back brake was a little soft. Now let's see what we can do here. Look at this road. A little bit of sand everywhere. That's crazy. So the DNA filter came with a cap that goes on the top, which is right underneath the surface of this tank, and it's got a big hole in it where the old one did not have a big hole in it. So the DNA filter now gets air from the bottom of the intake like the original bike did, and the top of the air plenum. So that big hole in the top is also letting a lot more noise through. And it really howls. As far as performance goes, I just put it on yesterday. I really haven't had a chance to take it for a run. What I'm honestly hoping is I get a little better gas mileage. Performance wise, you know, anything will do. We did not add the cat delete pipe on it because, well, the problem I thought I had with my catalytic converter was actually a missing piece of rubber, and we got that taken care of. So I didn't see any reason to do it, but I might still do that. Maybe I'll do that next time, you know. There's always time. Always, we can always do it later, right? Meanwhile, let's see what we can do for some noise here. It does make some howl. Very good indeed. Ha ha ha! Got the top box on the back today. Got the new back tire. I like that. I like that a lot. We are ready for a trip to Alabama. Trail of Tears. Today is Wednesday. I think we will head out Friday morning on that. If y'all are interested in a new used Himalayan like this one, Royal Enfield any type, Triumph, classic British bike, need parts, accessories, thingamajigs, doodads, gloves, jackets, helmets. The reason I got the top box is I wanted to be able to put a helmet in there and it'll fit. Get yourself over to Baxter Cycle in the mighty metropolis of Marnie, Iowa, or go to baxtercycle.com. Those guys can help you out. They also ship motorcycles almost everywhere in America. Please hit like and subscribe. Now it's a beautiful day here, and I think I am going to go home, grab some lunch, and then go for a motorcycle ride. Y'all do the same if you can. Life is grand. Wahoo! 1964 Velocet Venom Clubman. 500cc air-cooled single. Overhead valves.